Hello and welcome to free Excel tutorial videos. In today's video I'm going to show you how to use data form in the Microsoft Excel. And here in this spreadsheet I have a list of my employee database. I have the ID, the last name, first name, the gender, the department, location, salary, date hired, a year served, and also their extension. So let's see here. I am going to show you how you can add a data form to your spreadsheet. So in order to see this command, which is this icon over here, which I already have in the quick access toolbar, if you don't have it, just come up here and right click, go to customize quick access toolbar, and go in the left list over here, select the drop down and select the commands not in the ribbon. Okay, and this list is sorted by alphabetical order. So you scroll down to F and you will see form over here. Just click add and it will appear over here. Okay, so once you do that, you click OK. I'm going to cancel because I already have it. So you will see this form icon over here. Okay, so now you have the shortcut. So when you want to use a data form, it is important that you have your labels named. Okay, they are very important, and also you cannot exceed 32 labels. So in this case I have how many? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So you cannot exceed 32 labels, okay, across the spreadsheet. Okay, 32 is the limit. Okay, so let's come over here to one cell over here and let's activate our data form. So select one cell in the data set and click on the form icon. So as you can see here, I have the form appear in the Excel, and what you see is a snapshot. Okay, and it is easy for us to navigate. So now I have here in display, it's called Adam, and I can just easily click next, next, next until I find the one that I want. Okay, so now the one that I have is called Donna Drake. And also notice here I can apply a criteria. Okay, so let's click on the criteria over here. Okay, and I can come over here and choose certain criteria that I want. So let's say I want the location to only be from Chicago. So let's type Chicago. Okay, and then this is very important. To apply the criteria, you must click on form or hit the enter key. Okay, so let's hit on form. So now I will see the records that only are from Chicago. Okay, so if I click next, you can see it's from Chicago, 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 Chicago. Okay, so I have 7 out of 9. Okay, so I can also use the criteria to apply multiple criteria. So I already have the first criteria, which is I want to see the records from Chicago, and let's add a second one. Let's add a gender. I would only like to see the male employees. Okay, so I have two criteria over here. One is the location, second is the gender. And remember, click on form and we will be able to get the employees that meet both of these criteria. Okay, so you see here are the employees that meet both the criteria. So if you want to clear the criteria, just come here and hit clear. Okay, but when using data forms, there are some problems. Okay, one is you cannot use data validation. Okay, which is important. Say you want to have a list like this, when you have somebody else coming in and applying a new record, And also another drawback is that you won't be able to use some of the keyboard shortcuts. Okay, so let's come over here and create a new record. Okay, let's come here, type 321. Now let's go to the data form. Okay, let's go to the data form again. Let's come here, click on data form, and let's select a new one. Okay, let's put the employee ID. Okay, and to move to the next column, press tab. Let's put here Johnson, tab, John, and now the gender is M, and immediately you will see the weakness of a data form because you do not get a drop down, which means you have to type it one by one. Okay, so if you by mistake, say if by mistake you type until the department and you hit enter, you will see that the data form is actually done. Okay, so you will have a empty fields here which is not complete. So this is also another drawdown or drawback that you get with data forms. Okay, so you can always come back here and of course apply the relevant categories or relevant data of the employee. Okay, so now let's take a look at what you can do with filters. Okay, so so let's delete this record first. So let's, with one cell selected, you can come to the data tab and you can have filters. Okay, I like filters a lot. Okay, so example, if you want to see the records for the male, only the male employees, you can just click on M and click OK. So now you will see only the employees that are male. Okay, likewise you can select only female. Okay, and then of course you can restore them by clicking select all and everything comes back. So basically that is how you can use the built-in data form in Excel, and also a brief introduction to using Excel filters in order to let you see certain records that you have in your Excel data. Okay, so that is that's how you can use the data form and also filters in Excel. That's it for this video. I will see you in the next